Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Joy.
And today we are making
Easy chocolate sauce.
this chocolate sauce recipe only has 4 ingredients and it's made with chocolate chips, so it's super easy. We're gonna start by making the simple syrup. So we're going to add water and sugar, and we'll stir it until the sugar dissolves. Let that simmer. Then add the milk and bring to a simmer. Add the chocolate chips, remove from heat, and stir well.
If I got a pretzel, that would be so good in it.
Oh, you're so right. Add in the vanilla and stir until completely smooth. So it thickens up a little bit as it cools. This chocolate sauce is great for the ice cream cake we're about to make, but it's also good if you serve it on top of brownies or ice cream or cookies. You can also make chocolate dipped pretzels with it.
Don't eat it all.
But don't eat it all. This stuff is so good.
Is this recording? Making that so sweet. Is this recording?
Yeah.
Don't we need a bowl for this or like a pan?
We do. We need a saucepan. You like that chocolate sauce? We can just eat this one.
Ooh, yummy. We need pretzels.
Our
Our condiments.
condiments.
Yes.
You mean our ingredients?
Chocolate chips is a condiment on ice cream.
That's true.
And it's an ingredient on here.
That is not wrong. Should we pour that in there? Or do you think that's gonna spill? Do you trust me?
Yeah, I trust you.
Do you think I'm gonna spill it though?
No.
You don't? What if I spill it? I'm so scared.
All you need.
Oh. This chocolate sauce is good. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.